if someone is struggling to ask for a raise at work, what would you recommend? I like my job, I like where I am, but I want more money. I deserve more money, but I feel stuck. I don't know how to do it. I feel scared. What would you recommend?
When you say I deserve more money, it's like you know you deserve more money, but if you believed you deserve more money, you get more money because you just walk in there and say, "Look, this is what I'm worth and this is what I'm asking. Take it or leave it. I'll get another offer." Right? And usually people will get another offer and then have that as leverage. So the way to take a stand there is to know your value and your worth. And a lot of times we're so out of touch with our value and our worth because we are just living ourselves. We don't realize how much value we actually add to other people's lives. I have my clients do this all the time. It's one of the number one practices that we do is each night for 14 nights, they write out their value. What value did I provide today? Why am I valuable? What do I provide my job? So if you want to raise at your job, you have to write down, you have to become conscious of your value, your inherent value. Because when you're conscious of that and then you reread that, especially before you go in to ask a raise, you're going to be vibrating that. You're going to have that. You're going to know that. That's going to be what energy you're emitting. And 95% of our communication is done at the subconscious level. So if you're vibrating that and then you go in, you're going to have the confidence to ask for a raise, number one. Number two, they're going to feel that and know your value. And you're going to 9 times out of 10, you're going to get it.